Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take you through a simple yet delicious process, making fresh mango juice from scratch. Mangoes are not only tasty but packed with vitamins and nutrients. Whether you're making it for breakfast, a refreshing afternoon treat, or just because you love mangoes, this guide will show you the easiest way to turn ripe mangoes into delightful juice in just 5 practical steps. Step 1. Selecting and preparing the mangoes. The first step to making great mango juice is selecting the right mangoes. Choose mangoes that are ripe but not overly soft. They should give a little when pressed, have a sweet aroma, and be vibrant in color. Once you have your mangoes, wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Step 2. Peeling and cutting the mangoes. After washing, it's time to peel and cut the mangoes. Using a sharp knife, carefully peel the skin off the mango. Be cautious not to remove too much of the flesh. Once peeled, slice the mango vertically along the seed. You'll get 2 large halves, which you can then dice into smaller chunks. Step 3. Blending the mangoes. With your mango chunks ready, it's time to blend. Place the mango pieces into a blender. For every 2 mangoes, add about a ½ cup of water to help the blending process. If you prefer your juice thinner, you can add more water. For a touch of sweetness, you can also add a tablespoon of sugar or honey, but this is optional. Step 4. Straining the juice. Once blended, you'll notice the juice may be a bit thick and pulpy. To achieve a smooth consistency, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth. This will remove the pulp, leaving you with a silky, smooth mango juice. Step 5. Serving and storing the juice. Your fresh mango juice is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a glass and serve it chilled with a few ice cubes. If you're not drinking it right away, store the juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 48 hours. And there you have it. In just 5 easy steps, you've made delicious, fresh mango juice. It's a healthy and refreshing drink that's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes, and leave a comment below if you tried making this juice at home. Cheers to fresh and flavorful living.